The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 6 p.m. At 4:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lac La Belle to near Whitewater, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Milwaukee, Waukesha, West Allis, Wauwatosa, New Berlin, Brookfield, Greenfield, Menominee Falls, Oak Creek, Muskego, South Milwaukee, Cudahy, Whitefish Bay, Greendale, Pewaukee, Brown Deer, Sussex, St. Francis, Heartland, and Hales Corners. People attending Summerfest in Milwaukee and the Shorewood Criterium should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5 p.m.